Alright, this is my repo folder. The only reason this mod is in here is because I had to re-download it from the repository, but I never used the repo folder. Here's how I have this dummy, and how I generally, if I have a mod that is in zip format, it goes right in this folder, mods, in zip format. If it's unpacked, this is how it looks, which I'll open dummy, and you'll see. Now I did make a mistake. I couldn't figure out why. Anyway, I don't want to even try to explain it. I tried to basically extract the dummy. I said extract files here, but I thought I clicked to the folder. Somehow it deleted the damn folder for vehicles and mod info, so you just have, when you unzip it, you just have a folder called dummy. If you downloaded this and it didn't work, that's why. But anyway, this is how I have it unpacked. If you just take the zip, like say that was the zip, and you just say extract here. Well, this is using WinRAR, but you see where it's going. It's making a folder called. It'll make a folder called. Well, let me just do it. Like extract here, and then this is how this mod is unpacked record, and you got the two folders, and then it's like this. Now if you do unpack it, once everything I play, I usually keep unpacked. So once you unpack it, you'll need to remove the zip, or you'll get a duplication error. So let me load the game and show you the dummy. Yeah, damn, I hate that. I usually double check everything, but it was so late. I was ready to go to sleep. No, I didn't delete the temp folder. Shouldn't be a problem there. Yeah, he works. And that's how he should work for you. Another dummy head based on the. This one's a lot more detailed, but needs a lot of cleanup work. Yeah, it's rough. Like a dang